What do total beleaguereds mean when they say that you are screwed? Do they mean this? Or do they mean this? It doesn't matter if you pull the short screw or the long screw. Or do they mean this? Examples are inherently screwing. They are the most equitable way to fasten and to nail and to screw. And how do we know this? How is this known? It is known right out of the blocks. It is known because explanation is clearly agro equity. And that's really what a yell is. A yell is just an example pleasing explanation, which is agroequity. And so the next time you get a bout of gist rage, just know that you are an explanation of agroequity and an exemplification pile. The Fasten Room Kibblings have many entrees. Entree number 2. Is that there's an important notice inside. And you look at this and you think, where's the important notice? But then you quickly realize that whatever you find important will be slightly, if not jellifically, obscured by your exemplification. And what that means is, how do you fasten, distill an important notice out of something so clear from the herds of fizz, from the herds of frizz? It is through the use of or, the choice. It means that you are flip or tint. Flip or tint. No side. So when you get a notice in the mail and it is poo-poo fastening you, you must notice that inside all of us is a flip or tint being with no sides. And that's what the crinkling of a important document cartographs. And that's an envelope. Cheers. To well framing ears. Look, but don't touch the produce. Look, but don't touch the produce. Well, produce in itself is an ear-to-ear verbatim dirt. And so when you look at it, you have to be kind, because the fruit and or vegetable and or earthroom life is in its lovely bent state. And so you shouldn't touch the softness of prejudice. And we know that not by a produce box, but by the fact that everybody knows to look, but don't deuce. When you're chew looking or sight eating, you must always realize that you are loaning out your smiles to the deuce of screwing others. But as long as you just look, then you can not seduce. And that's going straight to the Museum of Defiled Art for the purpose of sharpening nails and cutting nails. So be sure to build your gist house on pillars of sandy, ammonial, trigonometric caricature